Hello, Achievers! Happy Friday! I hope your week treated you well. Maybe you got something big off your to-do list this week? Yeah? If so, comment below. Let me know what you got done. Congratulations! For those who do not know me, my name is Lindsey Whiteman, and I am an agent with eXp Realty, and I wanted to jump on and share an amazing trick that I just recently learned on how to manage your database on Facebook, as well as the people that are in your life. Work-life balance, right? That is something that I work on every single day to try to improve. And I recently learned these tricks from a video that I saw from Amy B. Sells. Go ahead and check her out on Facebook, as well as my coach, Monica Weekly. They were both recently talking about using Facebook and creating friends lists and how to manage those lists to be more involved in your past clients, your current clients, your friends, your family, and really how to feel like have that balance, which is so very important for our mind, for our daily health. So I'm going to just jump in real quick. Let me go and share my screen. How do I do that? Here I am on Facebook, and I want you to go to your home page, and over on the left you're going to see this shortcuts, Explore. Right underneath Explore, you're going to check out Friends List. Click it. And then this is where you are going to create your lists. From a business perspective, I would like for you guys to, what I have learned, this is really helpful on managing your database, creating Group A, Group B, Group C, and Group D. Each person does it differently. The way I do it is for Group A, which would be my A clients, you're going to put all your ambassadors, people that bring you business, that talk about you, that you enjoy working with, because that is key in the real estate business, is working with people that you enjoy, right? Can I get an amen? Yes. And then I'm going to create a Group B. Group B are people that I need to convert into my Group A. I need to be more involved in their life, and Facebook lists allows me to do that. So when I grow into Group B, I'm communicating with them. I am loving a post, not just liking it, but actually dropping a comment or trying to be involved or add some value in their life. Know that they're being seen, show them some love. Everyone wants to get some love every once in a while. Now, I don't really have a Group C. It's either you are an A or you're a B, or you're just poisonous in my life, and I shouldn't be involved with you. So for my Group C, I go to vendors. You'll see right here, vendors. These are people that are entrepreneurs, not just real estate agents. I have another group for realtors, but are my vendors, my go-to insurance person, my go-to lender, people that make things, cakes, you name it. That's my go-to vendors, because my goal, one of my daily goals, is I want to refer business to my vendors. In return, it's, you have that mutual understanding, in the sense of you send them business, they'll send you business. But I want to see other people succeed. And by creating a vendor list, this first allows me to go through my list and be like, that's right, so-and-so does flooring. But it also allows me to see what they have going on and just try to add some sort of value or send them some clients. My Group D is for realtors. These allows me, if I have something specific to realtors, like the other day I just put a comment in asking where are people going for caravans. I can drop, I'll show you a little bit later actually, but when you're doing a post, you can specify you only want to post this to a specific list, which I chose my realtor friends, Group D. And so not everyone will see the posts that I'm specific to realtors, which I found very handy. This also allows me to see what they got going on, if they have any properties that I need my buyers to go check out. Another amazing thing that I did, now this is for my personal life, is mentors. I have a special list for my mentors. Every single morning, I like to do affirmations, exercise, have a moment of silence. So I think that's actually where I start, is my moment of silence. Reading something, and that goes in with my mentors, is when I go to this specific list and seeing their how-to videos or their tips. It just really inspires me to be more of value to others. So that is something that I try to do on a regular basis. I also have my friends list, so my close friends that I need to be more involved in their life because sometimes I'm not the best. I get too involved in work. I know us realtors can relate on that. But this is a way for me to stay in contact with them. And if I have something that's in an invitation or an event I'm going to that I only want my friends to see, I would post, make a post just to that specific list. And that's pretty much it. I'll go into schools. You could pretty much create a list for anything that you want in your life. A couple ways to create the list and add people to it. Let's just go into my A clients. Here you can go and add people. So let's say you wanted to add your friend Adrian. Well, you can go and type in that and you can put her in there. Another way you can add it, and this is very tedious, but go to your own page, scroll down to friends, and I did this for like a couple days, and I did it for like an hour at a time, but you can go in, drop down, add to another list, and then you can add each person into a specific list so you're not leaving anybody out. I put her, this is my coach Melissa McNeil, I put her in multiple groups because she is an EXP Realty. She's also in the Realtors. She's my friend, so I want to stay in touch with her on a friend basis as well as being a mentor. So you can do that to help, organize your life, really. And those are some powerful tricks that have really helped me stay on top of mine, be involved in my friends and my past clients and their life, and trying to just be really involved. This has helped with my database, right? Because for real estate agents and for sales, anyone that's in sales, our whole job every day is to prospect. And part of prospecting isn't necessarily cold calling or, pick me as a sales agent, not salesy. I am about adding value in other people's life and trying to either make them feel important, make them feel sexy, or make them feel smart. And these lists help me feel like I am being more involved in everyone's life. Now, there are times where you'll see that people don't post on, like if you have someone in your group A and you're like, well, they don't ever post. Well, that is a clue that you need to go to other forms of communication. Reach out by text, reach out by email, try to get all of especially for your group A, try to get all of their information so you can really send them cards, send out, which I recommend using send out cards. There's an app and you can use it online. I will comment below with the code that you can use to download. And so adding value in other people's life and staying in point of mind, contacting them, making connections, adding value, making them feel important, and keeping that work-life balance. If you have any questions about creating a friends list, feel free to comment below or reach out to me. I am more than happy to help. That is exactly what I'm here, hopefully making your life easier from the struggles that I have learned. And I'm also going to comment below where I learned this information. The reason I created this video is because I was sharing with my realtor friends in my group, oh my gosh, I saw this video from Monica Weekly and from Amy B, and it was about how to create friends lists, and I'm trying to dig through Facebook to figure out where I found that. So I'm like, you know what, I'm just going to create my own video, put it on my YouTube channel, so if anyone else needs help on managing their database, I can just send them a quick link. So hopefully it adds some value. That is the key. I hope you have a good weekend. So if you have any questions, again, feel free to reach out to me. I am open book for the most part and always here to help you. Have a great weekend.